are going to see fixed assets. What is fixed assets? Do you guys have any idea? Like AP, AR, cash management, fixed assets? Any fixed assets?
Fixed asset, furniture, computer, software,
Yeah. Whatever assets
we purchase.
your business is owning. Either it can be liquid or physical. What is liquid? What is physical? Liquid means physical. Liquid is nothing but in your bank account you have a cash.
Cash.
Physical means you are building computer, like these things. Correct?
Yes.
So why we have this module is, if you remember, in financial statements we prepare a balance sheet. So in balance sheet we have left side liabilities and right side assets. So based on the one second. One second.
Okay.
I'll just go for mute 2 minutes. Okay. So in the liability side, we will have all our liabilities. In the asset side, we will have all the assets. These both should tally. Then only our balance sheet is correct. Correct. So we need a fixed assets to prepare a balance sheet, as well as to know the what are all the assets, and what to understand our financials for our business. Correct. So what are all the activities which we will do in fixed assets? We'll record purchase of our assets. We will record sale of our assets. True or not true? See, if you are purchasing asset, then there will be obviously sale also, right?
Yes.
Then we will calculate
Depreciation.
depreciations. We will physical inventory check of our then we will do revaluation.
Asset revaluation.
But we
Yes.
revaluation assets. Then we will do asset transfer. What is this asset transfer?
At the time of BT.
Asset from one location to
Another.
other location. All the activities which we will do in fixed assets. Okay. Main point in fixed assets is the interview question is once you close the FA period, you will not be able to reopen your period. This is the main thing in fixed assets control. Like in GL, AR, AP, you have option to open, close these things, right? But in fixed assets, once you close the FA period, you will not be able to reopen your period. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Once you close the FA period means before closing the FA period, system will ask you calculate the depreciation. Okay, so once depreciation is calculated and you have closed the period, means you will not able to reopen the period. So when we submit the depreciation, we will be careful. You will have two options: run only depreciation or close the period. If you run depreciation and close the period, depreciation will run and period will be closed. If you choose only run depreciation, depreciation will run. You can take the depreciation report and see whether the depreciation is calculated correct or not for all the assets, and then you can close the period. I will show all these things in the system, but before that I just want to tell you guys, these are all the small brief about the fixed assets.
Okay.
So setups, that roles, like same thing, asset accountant. See, 1 second. How I can tell in this? 1 second.